up? It's Kristen. Today I have another Simply Earth essential oil recipe box. If you're not familiar with this, click on my link below and type in KRISTINFREE at checkout and you'll get $40 towards your next purchase, and you'll also get the big bonus box for free, which is another $40 value, and it's amazing. Check out my video previous, I'll link it above, and you can see what's in that bigger box that you get free. So that's an amazing deal. So if you like these kind of videos and want to see what I got in my Simply Earth box, just stay tuned. Okay, so with this subscription, it's $39 a month, and like I said, click on my link below, you'll get that $40 towards your next purchase and that big box for free. It's all in your cart. Once you check out, you'll see that it'll come up free, and just put in KRISTINFREE and you'll get that. So with this box, you'll receive this. It is an awesome box, and it shows who made it, and it looks like handpicked by Cheryl, and then it shows like her photo, which I think is really cool. So let's open the box. So this is what the box will look like once you receive it. And there are these awesome recipe cards with the oils that you receive. And the first one is a relief roll-on, and it shows you what is in it, which I think is awesome. And then it shows what's in your recipe box on the back, and it shows you what are the uses and like what's safe for kids, if you're pregnant, cat, dogs, etc. So that's pretty neat. Because I'm not sure what oils are safe for dogs. I have 2 dogs, so I think this is great. And then the next one is a refresh spray, which is amazing. And then circulation boost body butter. That's awesome, that recipe on there as well. And then the next is a massage relief oil. Really nice. And then the meditation diffuser blend, which you can put in your diffuser. And then detox and relax foot bath, which I think is awesome as well. So that's really cool. All the recipes are in there and you can save those. And then it comes with these stickers, which you could see here. And then it comes with your 4 oils, and then we'll go over the oils after that. And then it comes with a avocado oil, which is amazing. And this is a pretty big size. This is 2 ounces. And then it comes with a spray bottle to do your recipe with, which would be your refresh spray. And then another little bottle to do your relief massage oil. And you will use the recipe and what you receive in the bigger box, the bonus box, and then these oils. So let's go over these oils that I received. And this one is Relief, and this one is amazing. Let me get the card that tells you what it's used for. So here it is. It says Relief on the side. And then Relief Blend relieves pain, inflammation, and then it tells you the ingredients. Always dilute it before you put it on your skin. And this one here is not safe for cats or dogs, so I have to watch what I do that, but I don't really use these in my diffuser. So let's smell this. That smells really good. Sore muscle. It says use relief on sore muscles to relax after a long day. And then you can use this relief for the relief roll-on recipe. And it tells you coconut oil, the bottle, roll-on bottle, which I do have. They sent me with the big box, which is amazing. And then this oil here. So that is super exciting. I'm definitely looking into making that. And then the next one we have is Hoe Wood. And this is plant parts, twigs, ingredients. Let's read what it's used for. Let me get my card back. This is assist meditation, calms, cools, relieves pain, supports immune system. It says dilute before using, which is obvious. And then let's see which one goes with that. So relax and detox foot bath. You can use it for that. Let me smell this. And then you can also, smells really good. Use this with the meditation diffuser blend. And then let's see. I think that was it for that one. Oh no, so you can use it for the refresh spray as well. So that's an ingredient in there. Okay, so this is the Clary Sage oil. Let's smell this one. This smells really good too. So let's see what that's used for. Pain relief, circulation supports, anxiety relief, and hormone balance. And this is safe for animals. So I'm going to put that one off to the side because I'll put that in my diffuser. So that would be great. Okay. So which one, let's see which one it's used for. It's used for the relax and detox foot bath. And a few others here. So that's awesome. And then the last but not least, the other oil that you get, and these are big oils. These are 15 mLs. So next one is lemon. And this one is uplifts, clarifies the mind, cleans, and cleanses. So that's amazing. I love lemon. This smells so good. Amazing. Love that smell. So this one is used with the refresh spray. It's part of that ingredient. And the circulation boost body butter. And let's see if it's part of the relax and detox. No. Okay, so that's the box. I think that's super amazing. It's used for the meditation diffuser blend as well. So that's awesome. This is great. Go over to their website. I'll list it, the link down below. My referral link, use my code KRISTINFREE and you will get that $40 towards your next purchase. And if it's your first time, you will get that bonus box. Amazing. I love it. I use these scents in my diffusers. I'm currently using my diffuser, which is right here, which is the Happy Joy, and it smells so good. When I sit here and work, I put this on and it just like opens my mind and it's amazing. So go over to their website, check it out, use my link down below, and thanks guys. See you next time. Bye.